Hi, welcome back to another video. My name is Trinity, and today I'm just doing a quick short video on making green onion pesto. I've made it in the past with green onions, but usually I do a tiny bit of green onions. But today we have like a pot of green onions that I really need to get harvested, I don't have very much basil, so I'll be adding a tiny bit of basil in. So stick around, see how I make it. And I did realize that I actually don't have any Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese in my pesto, but I'm gonna be doing kind of a different twist on what you can replace Parmesan cheese with. So stick around and let's go harvest the stuff we need out of the garden. Okay, so we're out here and I have this pot of green onions, and I am gonna leave these ones that are seeding because I want to harvest them. I know that's kind of weird, but I want to start learning how to save seeds, so I'm gonna leave those. So let's pick the rest and get them in our container. Okay, is that the one? No. Make sure I'm not pulling the ones with the seed on there. Okay, this is what I got. I did leave a few in there because I've been using them for fresh eating, and then I left the ones with the seed tops, so the flowers seeding. So let's take this to the next part of our garden and get the rest of everything we need. Okay, so I'm out here in my herb bed that is out of control. I just have not had the time or the energy to prune these to stop from seeding, so next year is going to be crazy. But I'm going to be gathering some of these chives that are flowering, and we're going to use these garlic chives in our recipe. Okay, next I have a little bit of basil in my GREENSTAK that's kind of starting to yellow because it's so hot, but I'm going to take some of it. I don't have a lot, but we're going to harvest what we can. Okay, so this is everything I got out of the garden. I got a good handful of garlic chives that I'm gonna kind of go through, get the bad ones out. Our green onions, got a little bulb of garlic, and then just what I could have basil. It's not very much, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, now that I've sorted through this, I'm gonna cut this in half, and we're gonna use about that much in our pesto. And then let's chop this up for just to stick in the refrigerator for meals later this week. Yay, got some garlic chives for later this week. So we are going to be freezing this today. I'm going to put it up and freeze it. Just was one of the ways I could think of to preserve my onion tops. That sounded good, but I didn't have to pull out my dehydrator. So this is just a quick, easy way to get them out of the garden. Make a mess. But that's what home gardening is all about. Making messes and preserving your own food. I am going to chop the tops off a little bit, just because some of them are yellowing and don't look very good. so I got the rest of my ingredients here. We're gonna be adding some salt to taste, avocado oil, and then instead of lemon juice, I'm gonna be using this lime juice I have just because I don't have lemon juice. And then I don't have Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese. I probably won't ever stop making pesto without it, but today I wanted to kind of do a different spin because I'm out of Parmesan cheese and I'm gonna be using some nutritional yeast. I'm gonna kind of start off small, work my way up. So I'm gonna start with like 2 tablespoons and then see if we need more after that. Gonna add about a tablespoon to start off with lime juice. Let's do some salt and we'll kind of taste as we go. So I'm gonna do I'm just gonna do a quick pulse and then we'll add our oil. Oh, it smells amazing. Going to taste it to see what it means. Ooh, that's yummy. It needs more salt, more oil. Let's start with that. Very fresh tasting though, man. It's different than normal pesto. Oh, you know what we're forgetting? We're forgetting nuts. Let's add some, I'm gonna add walnuts. I only have walnuts on hand, so I'm just gonna do about a 1/4 of a cup maybe. Start with that. And I literally just add oil. I don't measure. I add oil until it's the consistency I want. So, I like that. That's good. Okay, let's get this in jars. It's kind of a thick pesto, but I kind of like that. Okay, so that is it for this video. It's probably gonna be a pretty short video, but I just wanted to get that in my freezer and preserved the green onions, the chives, basil, and garlic out of my own garden. So that's really exciting. So there's that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you find inspiration on how to preserve things. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.